People throw this line around so casually: "Why do you cry so fast?" Or, "You're too sensitive." And every time you hear it, something inside you shrinks a little. Not because you're weak, but because you feel things more honestly than the people around you. And that's exactly what today's video is about: the truth behind people who cry easily. Not the scientific definition, not some cold explanation. Just the real, human side of it. A small story to pull them in. Let me tell you something that happened to me once. I was sitting with a friend. We were just talking about life, simple conversation. And out of nowhere, she started crying. Not because we were talking about something sad, just because something I said touched her. A small sentence, but for her, it went straight to the heart. And immediately she wiped her tears and said, "Ugh, I hate this about myself. I cry too fast." And I looked at her and said, "Why? What's wrong with feeling things deeply?" She didn't have an answer. Because she knew there was nothing wrong with her. She was just tired of the world making her feel like something was wrong. Why some people cry easily: normal, human explanation. Let's be honest, some people don't need a tragedy to get emotional. A song can do it. A memory can do it. Even a kind word can do it. It's not because they're dramatic. It's not because they want attention. It's not because they're mentally weak. It's simply because their heart reacts faster than their brain can explain. Some people are built that way. Their emotions rise quickly. They connect quickly. They care quickly. And honestly, that's rare. Why the world doesn't get them? The world is loud, fast, rough around the edges. Most people have learned to shut their feelings down. They don't cry, not because they're strong, but because they've numbed themselves over the years. So when they see someone who still feels openly, someone who still has softness left, they don't understand it. They think, this person is weak. But the truth is, they're jealous that they can't feel like that anymore. The reality about people who cry easily. Here's the funny thing. People who cry easily are usually the ones who stay loyal longest. The ones who care the most. The ones who notice the small things nobody else sees. The ones who will sit with you in silence until you're okay. The ones who apologize first, even if they weren't wrong. They're not weak, they're emotionally awake. And in a world full of people who pretend, that's strength. When tears feel inconvenient. If you're someone who tears up quickly, you know the struggle. You're talking, and suddenly your voice cracks. You try to hold it in, but your eyes start burning. And you're thinking, not now. Please, not now. Maybe you're in a meeting. Maybe arguing. Maybe trying to explain something you really care about. And then tears come, not because you're sad, but because the moment matters to you. That's something people don't understand. Sensitive people cry not from weakness, but from sincerity. How to stay grounded without shutting down. I'm not going to tell you to control your emotions. That's what everyone already tells you. Instead, here are things that actually help, human to human. Pause, just breathe once. One deep breath gives you a few seconds to gather yourself. Look away for a moment, not to hide, just to reset. Touch something near you: a bottle, your sleeve, anything. Small physical grounding helps. Speak slowly. Fast talking triggers fast emotions. If needed, say, "Give me a second." That's not weakness, that's composure. None of these suppress who you are. They just help you stay present. The beautiful side of sensitive people. People who cry easily, they love deeply. They forgive easily. They remember kindness for years. They hurt quietly. They heal slowly but sincerely. And no matter how many times life hardens them, a part of their heart always stays soft. That softness is not something you should ever apologize for. It's the part of you that still believes, still hopes, still cares. A refrain you need to hear. Here's something I genuinely want you to take with you. Crying easily doesn't mean you're weak, it means your heart refuses to shut down. It means your emotions are alive. It means you haven't lost your humanity. Most people can't say that anymore. Ending, sincere, warm. If you're someone who cries easily, listen. There is nothing wrong with you. You're not too sensitive. You're not overreacting. You're not dramatic. You're just someone who feels life honestly. The world needs more people like you, not less. And if anyone ever makes you feel ashamed of that, remember this: their numbness is not your responsibility. Your depth is not your flaw.